This video explains how to buy shares of PVA TePla AG, a German industrial equipment maker of vacuum furnaces and thermal processing systems traded on Xetra as TPE.de. This content is for educational purposes only. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TPE.de to find the listing. Then choose the result that matches PVA TePla AG on Xetra. Open the asset page to review company information and the price chart, and confirm it shows PVA TePla AG and the Xetra exchange before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.